27 time cycles in and you've been as hard-working as ever. I applaud your efforts, Dr. Byrne.
I'm sorry, but I think I'm more comfortable with the position I'm in right now. They see me. They see me, don't they? Your friend won't be around much longer. How can you cope with that?
I'm afraid this is where your journey ends.
Be wary of your choices, Doctor. You might lose everything you ever cared for.
Look at you, helpless as always, running from the inevitable. You cannot escape it. You cannot flee from it.